Children's Day. Good morning to everyone. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is celebrated to honor the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. He was very fond of children and was lovingly called Chacha Nehru. Nehru believed that children are the future of our nation. He always encouraged children to study well and work hard. Children enjoy this day with joy, fun, and excitement. We should follow Chacha Nehru's message and grow up to be responsible citizens. Thank you all and happy Children's Day to every child here.